Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to make GitHub repository private. If you've been searching for a way to change a specific public repository to private in GitHub, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To make a GitHub repository private or change a public repository to private, first of all, open github.com on your computer web browser. Once you are on GitHub, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select your repositories from the drop-down menu. Now, select the public repository that you want to make private. If you want to create a new repository private, select private instead of public at the time of creating the repository. Once you are on the repository page, click on the Settings tab located at the top of the page. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. You will see the Danger Zone section. Under the Danger Zone section, look for the option to change repository visibility. Click on Change Visibility on the right side of this option. A pop-up menu will appear. Click on Change to Private. Again, a pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm the change. Click on I want to make this repository private. Now, a new window appears. Click on I have read and understand these effects. Lastly, click on the Make this repository private button. Now your repository is private and not visible to everyone. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the visibility of your GitHub repository to private.